Everyone knows the road to recovery begins with a single step. But did you know the direction of that first step could determine the success or failure of your therapy?
Thank you for calling Advanced Therapy Concepts. How may I help you?
The power of recovery is the result of technique, skill, and command. The professionals at Advanced Therapy Concept are licensed, qualified, and ready to deliver the one-on-one personal care necessary for a healthy recovery.
Sometimes in physical therapy, when you're seeing a lot of patients at one time, 3 or 4 patients on your schedule at one time, you don't get that one-on-one care, and it does become mechanical. It becomes you come in, you do your exercise, you get your ice, you get out, and that's not what happens at Advanced Therapy. We spend the hands-on time every visit with every patient.
What makes Advanced Therapy Concepts the best facility in the area, and I believe in the county, is the results they get. My patients love the therapists here, and the medical results, the progress they make is fantastic.
I find that it's very gratifying to work with patients and see them get better from the moment they come in.
Recovery is the mission. How to get there depends on how well your therapist follows the direction of your physician. That's where Advanced Therapy Concepts steps ahead of everyone else.
My prescriptions are very, very specific as to what I want done. Physical therapists a lot of times will take a patient, not read the prescription, do what they want, but that doesn't happen here.
That's because Advanced Therapy Concepts understands that for an injury to be healed, what was destroyed must be able to replicate. From the doctor's prescription to the therapist's application, you're in good hands with ATC.
I was on the spine team for the first 2.5 years of out of school and licensed as a physical therapist, so I treated spine straight for 2.5 years, and that's really our specialty here, is that we treat patients with all different kinds of spine injuries. We also treat patients with osteoporosis, with lymphedema, with balance deficits. Physical therapy is very helpful in getting people better balanced. Also, we work with patients with fibromyalgia.
Sports, illness, or accidental injuries, the techniques ATC therapists practice will aid you in your recovery and provide relief from pain and suffering.
The patient really needs to know that you are there to help them achieve their goals and get them out of pain or better balanced, whatever their goals may be, or back to their sport. Everything we need, we have here. If they need hands-on treatment, that's our specialty. We give that hands-on one-on-one care with our patients.
I played high school football and I tore my ACL my sophomore year, but thanks to Advanced Therapy, I'm back on the field giving 110%.
I've been coming here for off and on about a year since I had surgery. I developed a real close relationship with my therapist and her team. And of course, she not only took care of me physically, but mentally she gave me an uplift. So I highly recommend not only Wendy, but her staff.
Sending your patients to Advanced Therapy Concepts is something you're going to want to do, because as the patients get the results that they need and come back to the physician, the patient will be happy, which will make the physician happy. It'll make everything flow smoothly for the patient, the physician, and also for the therapist. We're an outpatient orthopedic private practice. So we do see patients from about 8 years old to seniors. We also have extended hours. We're open 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. 5 days a week. We're also open Saturday mornings. We have the time to spend with the patient, and we make sure that they know that we are there to help them. The physician doesn't want to have a problem. It's better that the patient gets better in physical therapy. The patient goes back and thanks the physician for sending them to Advanced Therapy because the patient is better.